Hi everybody, it's Erin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at the monthly and currently spreads for my planners for the month of December. I had filmed Plan With Me's and then they didn't record. So instead of doing the actual Plan With Me, we are just going to do a quick flip through of them so you can still see what I did. So if you want to see what we have going on, stay tuned.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Alright, so for my monthly spreads, we'll start with this one in my wellness journal. I use the monthly in my wellness journal for menu planning. And I don't decorate it a lot just because, it's mostly just writing and very functional. I did put a little spot over here to kind of log my favorite recipe for the month. Any meal prep stuff that I might need to do, I'll put over here. Sundays is leftover days, so I already marked all of those. Did a little bit of, I put the title up here with stickers from the Fun Alphabet book. Tied in a few little Christmassy decorations with some washi tape and some things from one of the color storybooks, but otherwise very minimal decoration because, this is just where I put my menu plan. For my faith journal, I don't do a ton of decorating on the monthly spread either here because this is kind of my gratitude section. So I put in a few little decorations here from some seasonal books and that color story. Put the use the fun alphabets up here again. And then this is just every day I write in what I'm thankful for. So this is, again, very minimal decoration just because it's more functional than anything. So that's those. And then for my catch-all, I used a kit this month because, I don't know, I've been a little bit in a funk with trying to figure out how to decorate and monthlies, and they're always kind of a struggle, and I thought I would just try a kit. I used to do them all the time. It just makes it easy, takes a lot of the thought out of it, and that's kind of what I needed. So this is from a kit from Jump To It Designs. There's some stickers I didn't use yet, but I really like them. The stickers are kind of like on a vinyl sticker, and so they're very kind of soft and buttery smooth, which is kind of a cool texture. They were really easy to work with. If I needed to move something around, it was very easy to peel off and move it. I like the colors a lot. I actually bought one for January, so hopefully when I film that Plan With Me, it'll actually record, and then you can kind of see how easy they are to work with. But I really, really liked this kit, and I will link that shop on Etsy down in the description in case you want to check it out. She's got some really cool weekly kits and monthlies, and this was sized for the big. She has them for a classic also. It's hard to find stuff sized for a big happy planner, so that was also a real plus that she had that. And I love this little snowman down here. He's so cute. Kind of reminds me of Olaf. So that is my monthly for December in my catch-all. I really like how easy that was. I may do more kits like that in the future because it was just so easy to do. And then the other thing was my currently page for December. I had decided that I wanted to just do something kind of fun. All of my ideas for a Christmassy one, I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, and it was just not working. So I decided to just scrap the whole Christmas idea and just do something kind of fun with the princesses. So I used a white jelly roll to write currently up there, lettered goals with a Tombow brush pen. We've got the fairies up here and Pascal. Thought Rapunzel looked really good there against the black background. Kind of the color popped very nicely there. Beauty is Found Within is kind of the focal point, and then we've got the princesses all down there at the bottom with Mrs. Potts and Mushu. And then I've got my goals written out over here for the month. So I want to try to get up to 50 subscribers on YouTube. I'm only 6 away, so hopefully that'll happen. Exercise 3 times a week, stay on plan with my food, and stay organized for like Christmas shopping and gifts and all of that. So those are my big goals. Currently eating comfort food, lots of casseroles and soups and things like that as we get into the colder weather. Drinking tea, coffee. It's peppermint mocha season, and I do love my peppermint mochas, though I don't actually drink the mocha like an actual mocha. A lot of the time it's more like the flavored coffee, just because I don't get to actually go to a coffee shop very often with my work schedule and things like that. Listening to The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V.E. Schwab. Really good book. If you're looking for something to read, I really recommend it. It's kind of about a girl who makes kind of a Faustian deal with this fae spirit in exchange for complete freedom and immortality. She is cursed to have no one remember her. And then, like, all of a sudden, like 300 years later, she's in this bookshop and someone remembers her and things start to change from there. So, really good book. I'm also currently reading The Kingdom of Back by Marie Lu. Another author I really enjoy her books. This one is a historical fiction. It has to do with, like, fairy realms and things like that, but it's the story of Mozart's sister. Really good book. I'm enjoying that. Watching, we are still working our way through House. Rewatching that. So we just started season 6 last night, so we're making progress through that. I also am kind of starting to try to get caught up on This Is Us. I hadn't watched it for a few seasons, and now I'm playing catch up. And then, of course, that constant YouTube video watch list. So always something to watch on there. And then thinking that I am happy for Christmas season because I really love this time of year. I love the Christmas music. I love the lights. I like the decorations. Pretty much everything except cold weather. I totally dig it. So I am really enjoying that. And that is what I'm up to. So in the comments below, let me know what you think of the kit for the monthly spread. Let me know if you like this kind of overview video better, or if you like the actual plan with me and watching things unfold. And then also let me know what you're up to. What are you reading, listening to, watching these days? Any good recommendations that you might have? And yeah, otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed already, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you feel like sharing this video, I wouldn't mind that either. Otherwise, until next time, keep being awesome. Thanks. Bye.